Welcome to this episode of Unhatched. Today we're going to work on
the neon. Cheers. I mean,
queers.
So here's our header, gold plated. Do we have a gasket? Got these headers and this gasket off Kyle's special shout out to Super Parts guy Kyle. This is off a Dodge RT model. Special thanks to Kyle for giving me this great sale. Kyle, if you don't know Kyle. Kyle. So these are the headers. Thanks, Kyle. I don't know if I said that yet. But, and we got the gasket. I don't know if I mentioned that. From Kyle. Thanks, Kyle.
Cut.
So we got all the header bolts off, all the exhaust manifold bolts off. Now we're just getting the O2 sensor out. What are we going to have to do, Jane, with the O2 sensor?
See, these headers right here.
The gold ones.
The old O2 sensor goes into the exhaust manifold, right? And these headers, as you see, don't have an O2 sensor bung anywhere. I'm gonna drill this O2 sensor bung in so we can put the O2 sensor still in, reading at the same spot, so it's not gonna throw any engine codes. And this is a half-assed legit install. Holy shit.
That took us fucking 8 hours.
No, it didn't. It took us 25 minutes.
So you see all the cast iron ones, it took us fucking all day to take off.
Oh, did it. Darn it. And it's tripping. Right.
So we're just saying fuck to the O2 right now.
Cat's all cleaned out. So let's go and get the header on there. We'll mock this up, make sure we gotta do no more fabrications. And then we'll weld this O2 bung in. And yeah, should be a good day. Welded, it's on there. So we're making it cut out for the exhaust, so it'll be straight pipe, extra horsepower. I'm making a plate that'll go over one of the flanges, so it'll seal it off. So when he has the plate on, it goes out the normal exhaust and it's not straight.
Yeah, so we got the header solved. We still have to do the cutout, and that's about it. I think then we're done. The whole exhaust system So we'll be back
after these short messages.
Oh shit! I just found another one of my beers.
Well, hey, get my good side.
Oh my god. So now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna do some touching up, you know, a little detail. Maybe you guys will like this, maybe you guys won't, but we got the exhaust done. Next thing we're gonna do, after we're done this episode, actually do the cutout, and you guys will see that. You'll stay tuned. Maybe there'll be a link right here, or maybe there'll be a link right here. Fuck that shit! What are you doing?
Painting the fucking air filter tube that we horribly fucked up in our last episode.
Yeah, well, come here. It's not sucking in cold air. It's still sitting right here where it used to be. It's still sucking.
It's sucking in colder air than it did. No.
True. No, absolutely. It's sucking in more air. So what I want to do is put it down
below there,
like this. This thing bends. Like it's like literally on a boot. So we'll just put it down here. I'm gonna clean this thing up a little bit. I'm gonna paint it, and then we're gonna do some cool little hood and hatch designs on it. So stay tuned for that. And then yeah.
Yeah, but that's gonna be a lot of sanding.
No, just this side.
Because like, oh yeah, this is all
Fuck
paint.
that.
Why don't you paint the whole thing?
Because you're not gonna see it. It's a fucking budget. You know, if it was like my truck, I would do more.
True.
You know?
True. But if you actually made this thing look pretty dope, people might buy it.
It looks like shit.
Okay, just paint it gold, it's fine. Fuck!
Ah, god damn it.
We could paint all your caps.
Well, the outside's already silver.
Paint everything gold! Man.
I'm so happy.
I'm having fun.
I'm having too much fun.
This is your oil dipstick.
Yeah! By the way, follow us on Instagram at Hood and Hatch. Yeah.
We post videos on what we're doing so you can see them before you can see them on YouTube, and yeah. Dude, that looks pretty good though. Look, like boom, boom, boom.
Dude,
boom,
this
boom.
car look. Wait, we don't even have the intake in yet. Don't look.
Hey, gay for pay. That's pretty good, eh?
No, don't take me seriously now.
Gay for pay. Basically, trunks are one of the best paint booths ever made. Why, you ask? Enclosed space. Boom. That's what you need for a paint booth. You don't want airflow going in. Another setting, light. You have an overhead light here for your trunk. Hot breaths like a hairdryer.
Oh yeah. Sand. Okay, so just show them which way to get. This is the side we're looking at. So I didn't do, like, I was pretty lazy with the sanding, but you can definitely tell, obviously, that, you know, like, maybe you want to try harder.
What's this? Should I paint the top of the orange thing gold too? It's almost all gold.
Personally, I don't think Northern Exposure has a chance. Ow! Ow! This is really hard. Oh, too easy.